We will discuss today about the location, extent and importance of Karnataka state. The topic has been chosen from the geography section of the social science subject of standard 9 under the state secondary school curriculum. Karnataka, as we all know, is one of the many states of India. India is a republic. It's a secular state. It's a sovereign state. It has its own place of pride in the world. India consists of many states and union territories. Of these, Karnataka, our state, is one. Today, we will talk about Karnataka and know quite a few interesting aspects. Karnataka is famous for many things. The moment you say Karnataka, you remember Mysore silk sarees, sandalwood articles, which have an important place in the world market. You have the Channapatna wooden toys. Hampi is a monumental place which is visited by large number of people coming from various continents of the world. You have Mysore. Culturally, it is an important center. We even call Mysore as the cultural capital of Karnataka. The famous Dasara is being observed in Mysore every year, and scores of people gather there during that period. Jog Falls. It is a well-known falls in India for its beauty, its importance. Coorg is a well-known tourist center. Coorg is known for oranges too, a place full of hills. Lots of people visit Coorg, mainly in summer, for a change of weather. Yakshagana and many such traditional art forms of Karnataka have become very significant. We have number of biospheres, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries in Karnataka. The Sahyadri ranges are known very well all over the world for its unique significance in the field of environmental conservation. Karnataka is a prosperous land with literature, art and varied forms of culture. It has famous religious, spiritual and historical pilgrim centers. More than everything, we the people in Karnataka speak Kannada. Kannada is a rich Dravidian language. It has a rich heritage. We feel proud to tell that we are Kannadigas. Let's discuss about the origin of the name Karnataka. Here you have the outline map of Karnataka. The shape of Karnataka is that of cashew nut. You can see it here. See here, it's inundated, it comes inside. Again it goes like this. This is the shape of a cashew nut. Karnataka, the word has got coined from Karu plus Nadu. Karu Nadu. What does it mean? The land of the black soil, especially northern region of Karnataka, is famous for black soil. It's made out of volcanic ash. Black soil grows cotton. For cotton, it's very good. It's quite rich. Maize, many pulses too. Karu, Kappu, black. The land with the black soil, Karu Nadu. The Karu Nadu, that composition itself must have given rise to the word Karnataka. This is how it is put forth by many literatures, poets and historians. Karu Nadu turned to be Karnataka in due course. Another viewpoint is that the word has got evolved from Karunat. Karunat. Karnat, Karunat, Karnataka. What is the significance here? In one of the ancient Tamil works, Shilappadikaram, this mention is made. Here, Karnat means area or that part which has elevated land of a higher altitude. Karnataka has elevated land. So this area, this zone which has elevated land was called as Karnat, and that Karnat, word Karnat, gave a room for further change in the same, and we have the word Karnatak now. Nrapatunga's Kaviraja Marga, an ancient grammatical work, it says Karnataka is spread over from river Kaveri to river Godavari. Godavari river flows almost in the central part of India. River Kaveri is in the south. Kaveri to Godavari. When you study Kannada, you might have come across that. Kavi, poet, Nripatunga, in his writings, he states it. Karnataka is spread over a vast span of area from river Kaveri to river Godavari. But mostly today, people accept Karunadu, Karnataka. This is what the common people in Karnataka understand, how the word has got evolved. When we got independence, the 5 states in the south, 5 districts, southern districts, they were brought together, which were close to Mysuru. 7 districts were brought together and it was called as Mysore state. Mysore state, that's the origin. This is the part. Mysore state it was called. Jayachamara Rajendra Wadeyar, He had been the king then. He had been the king, a very popular king. And he surrenders the state of Mysore to the integrated Union of India on the call given by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the then Home Minister, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Premier of India. They said Mysore was one of the first states to be surrendered to the Union of India without any conditions as such. It was Jayachamara Wadeyar whom we should thank for this great presence of mind and the action he took. Later, when the government of India decided that the states of India will have to be decided on the basis of lingua, language, certain parts of Maharashtra were added to Mysore. Certain parts of Andhra were added. Certain parts of Madras state were added. Kodagu was an independent state. It was separate. Kodagu was added. So here, this part, especially this part, came from Maharashtra. Here, this part came from Andhra Pradesh. This part came from Tamil Nadu. Coorg is here. Coorg, which was an independent state then, it was amalgamated with Mysore state. And Mysore state became Vishala Mysore state. Vishala Mysore. Later, this Vishala Mysore state, which came to be formed on the 1st of November 1956, we observed the first Kannada Rajyosava on that day. Kannada Rajyosava. All those areas where people spoke Kannada. Kannada had been their lingua, their language, the mother tongue. All those areas which had got spread out, they were all brought together, no? That's why we called it Vishala Mysore. So Vishala Mysore state came to be formed on the 1st of November 1956. Many states got formed in India, then 14 states got formed, all based on language. But later, in 1973, Vishala Mysore got the name Karnataka. That was in 1973. Okay, we will come to the geographical location. Karnataka is located in the southern part of India. Southern part of India. The states what you find in the southern part of India at present are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Goa, the smallest one. So Karnataka is situated in the southern part of India. It extends from, I have marked the longitudes here. These two are longitudes which we are concerned about, and these two are the latitudes. You already know what latitudes and longitudes are. I won't go to those aspects. Karnataka spreads from 74 degrees 12 minutes east to 78 degrees 40 minutes east. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 74 degrees 12 minutes east. Why? This is also east, this also is. Some may be wondering, this should be west. No, how can both be east? No. When you take into consideration the globe, the Greenwich meridian goes here, let's say. Greenwich is a village very close to London in the United Kingdom, very close to London. That is 0 degree meridian. From there you go on marking the longitudes eastwards and westwards. On the other side, at the antipode, the opposite side, you have the 180 degrees meridian. That 180 degrees meridian is the international date line. Date, new day starts there. It's very close to Japan. It's on the Pacific Ocean. So here, when from 0 degree meridian you move like this, as you approach 74 degrees, Karnataka starts. By 78 degrees, Karnataka ends. So the expanse is 4 degrees. Both are to the east of the meridian. So you have to call them as east only. Let's come to the south and north extent now. We have to refer to latitudes. These were longitudes. Now latitudes. Equator is there, which divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Here, Karnataka extends from 11 degrees north to the north. We are in the northern hemisphere. 11 degrees north, or you can say 11 degrees 31 minutes north. Or to put it approximately, you can say 11 and a half degrees north to 18 degrees 45 minutes north. Say again, it is about 7 degrees. The spread is of about 7 degrees. Both 11 degrees and 18 degrees, they fall in the tropics only. So Karnataka has its location centered in the tropical zone. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat. It's much above. If it's 18 degrees, you have to go another 5.5 degrees, 5 degrees nearly for the Tropic of Cancer. It passes across Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. This is the extent. Always on the map of the world, extent is expressed in the form of longitudes and latitudes, meridians and latitudes. Okay, width and length of Karnataka. From the southern extreme to the northern extreme, that's at Bidar, northernmost point, it's about 750 kilometers. From the westernmost point, that's near Karwar, to the eastern part, that is Kolar district, that's the extreme. This is about 400 kilometers, 750 kilometers into 400 kilometers. Being in Karnataka, we should know what the length and width of Karnataka. And rough approximation, every one of us should know. Okay, Karwar in Uttar Kannada happens to be the western end. Karwar is here. Once you reach Karwar, you are very close to Goa. Karwar is the capital of North Canara, Uttara Kannada district. To the Kolar district. Kolar district comes here. Mulubagal Taluk. That's the last taluk towards the east. Mulubagal Taluk. That's the easternmost extent. Westernmost is Karwar. Easternmost is Mulubagal Taluk of Kolar district. Okay. Now, Bidar in the northern part. The northernmost district of Karnataka is Bidar. All of you should take out the Karnataka map after this narration is over and find this out on the map of Karnataka. Bidar is here, northernmost district of Karnataka, which is the southernmost district of Karnataka. It is Chamarajnagar. Chamarajnagar, it comes here. Chamarajnagar. Mysore is here. Chamarajnagar is here. It's the southernmost district of Karnataka. So, from Karwar to Kolar, Bidar to Chamarajnagar is the extent of Karnataka. Karnataka state has both land and water frontiers. Where is the water frontier? This is the land frontier. This is the water frontier. Here you have the Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea. Three districts lie along the coast: Uttara Kannada, Udupi and South Kannada, Dakshina Kannada. These three districts, they are the coastal districts of Karnataka. So, the water frontier is to the west, that is the Arabian Sea. Land frontier, this is the land frontier. Frontier means Gadibag, Karnataka, the Gadibag. This is the land frontier. You have Maharashtra here, you have Andhra Pradesh here, you have Tamil Nadu here. Here you have Kerala. Now this is the land frontier of Karnataka. Now let's see it in detail. To the east you have Andhra Pradesh. East. You have Andhra Pradesh. To the south you have Tamil Nadu here. South. Coming to the southwest you have Kerala. This is Kerala. South west. So we call it as southwest. Nairitya. Southwest. West, you have Arabian Sea. Then northwest. This is north, this is west. Here you have Goa. Northwest. Then north, you have Maharashtra. These are the frontiers of Karnataka. The shape of Karnataka is told you. To put it in plain words, it is almost like cashew nut. The total area of Karnataka is 1,91,791 square kilometers. Approximately saying it is 2 lakh square kilometers. If you round it up, 2 lakh square kilometers. We ought to know. Rough approximation. Okay, Belagavi district is the largest district in Karnataka. Belagavi comes here. Largest district in Karnataka is Belagavi. Which is the smallest district in Karnataka? Very interesting. It's Bangalore urban. Bangalore, it was one district earlier. Bangalore has been divided into urban and rural. Bangalore urban is very small but heavily populated. It's the city of Bangalore. Bangalore urban has the highest population but the least area. The smallest district in Karnataka is Bangalore urban. The largest district as it stands now, it is Belagavi district. Capital is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is our capital. Earlier it was being pronounced and spelled as Bangalore. Now it is Bengaluru. The word has got evolved from Bendakaluru, as was pronounced in Kempegowda's days. It has its own history. I won't get into that. Bendakaluru has become Bengaluru now. Mysore has become Mysuru now. So Bangalore is our capital. It is also known as the Garden City. Some of the gardens are disappearing. A sorry state of affairs, and government is doing everything to conserve them. Environmentalists, government, everyone has understood the importance of gardens now. They are the lungs of the city. Bangalore is also known as the Silicon City because it has more than 5,000 multinational companies in Bangalore, all associated with computers. Computers use silicon, sand, chips. Chips of the computers are made of silicon, and Bangalore is called as Silicon City the world over. California is called as the Silicon Valley in America. Bangalore is called as the Silicon City. The state now has been divided into 30 taluks. 30 taluks for administration. These 30 taluks have been placed under 4 divisions. 4 different divisions. The divisions are, one is the Bengaluru division, the other one is the Mysore division, the third one is the Belagavi division, and the fourth one is the Kalaburgi division. Bengaluru division, many districts have been brought together. It's Bengaluru division. State is divided into 4 divisions, I said. Bengaluru division, Mysore division, Belagavi division, Kalaburgi division. Why have we formed these divisions? It is in order to make it easy for administration. To comply with the administration, we have divided the state into 4 different zones. Who is our Chief Minister now? Mr. Yediyurappa. He happens to be our Chief Minister now. Okay, try to collect more information regarding our state, and we will try to learn more about our state in the coming videos. Thank you.